there was a request for double integration because it was a panic for my students that the upper limit is expressed in terms of a fraction. So anyway, you copy from integral 0 to 2, and then the 4 must be written outside because it is constant, so that you may able to focus the dy portion, the inner portion. Okay, integral of dy is you will have y, and then you will have to write it in this manner from 0 to 3 over 2x, so write the dx. So after that, try to apply upper and lower limit, so you have 4, then integral from 0 to 2, then you have 3 over 2x, of course minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, so we will have the dx. Of course, the remaining part here is equivalent to, we have 4 divided by 2, so we will have 2 and then 3 here, 6, then integral from 0 to 2, then we have x dx. So now it is a single integration, so therefore integral of x dx, so x squared over 2, then apply from 0 to 2. So again, we will have 6 and 2, so we will have 3. Then apply so that you can able to concentrate the substitution of upper and then the lower limit. So we have 2 square minus 0 and then square. So you will have the final answer of 3 times 2 being squared. Of course, that is 0. So therefore, the final answer here is 12. Final answer. Okay? Sila.